at the finale. We have him hooked up. I ripped off the dust cap. And yeah, we're going to blow him to send it. Just plug it in to the battery pack. It's over here. Since I don't want to get blasted behind me. This should be a nice one. Well, hopefully it's a nice one. Kind of disappointing if it weren't, but... Nothing? Still going. Oh my God! It puked out the voice coil. Well, whatever was holding it. Dang. The transformer started vibrating. Well, the variac started vibrating. Wow. It was under some stress. But we got it, guys. We destroyed it. It went up to like, I don't know, it was about that. Then that's when it started. But what the heck happened? This is hot. Huh, it puked it out. The voice coil is gone, completely and utterly destroyed. It looks fine from right here, but nah, it puked it out. Dang, that was a nasty one. Look at that. You can hang it from the ceiling. It's victory. I'm going to try and rip this coil out. All of it. It's really hot. It's really hot. Hold on. Wow. It shrunk. Dang. 60 volts. And it's gone too. The entire part is gone. So it would still work. In fact, everything does seem fine. The magnet's not even hot. Wow, that was a show. Now, vote in the comments if you think that one right there, the one in the middle that's broken, was better because it caught on fire, or this one was better because it had a bigger smoke show. Wow, that was crazy. I don't think there's any coil. No, I picked it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you again next time.